The following is a Dave Madson Classics video. It may contain content, language, flashing lights, and or loud noises, which may be considered unsuitable for younger viewers. Viewer discretion is advised. Dave Madson Entertainment Inc. presents Dave Madson Classics.
Brought to you in living color. 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 NBC color. NBC color. Living color, living color, living color, living color. Brought to you in living color. Following program was brought to you in living color on NBC.
This has been a Dave Madson Entertainment Inc. production.